Welcome to Chilli Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a tomato sauce, a Hmong traditional dish. So I'm going to use 2 cups of tomato, 1 cup, two cups. So I'm going to put in high heat, cover and put in high heat. It's about 8 to 15 minutes, but I have to check, making sure that if they're probably ready before or ready after, but we'll see because these are frozen tomatoes. So like this is ready because there's just a little liquid left, so it's ready to use now. So I'm going to turn off the stove and leave it aside for cool down. So I'm going to show you how to cut the green onion. So you only cut this much. So about 1 cup. I put in the fry pan, and I'm going to turn a high heat stove, and I'm going to start often so until some of them golden brown. Now some of like golden brown. So it's ready. So first side. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to cut cilantro. So just cut this long. So we're going to measure 1 cup again. Pepper, we're going to cut. There's the pepper in here. So I put the hot pepper in here. So I'm going to add a little bit chicken flavor and a little bit salt that I already measured. So to make sure that the hot pepper is soft. If I don't put that, the hot pepper is slippery, it's not soft. Okay, then I will add the cilantro. And again, a little bit chicken flavor and a little bit salt so it can make smoother. So you don't want to smash so hard that are so soft and not good. So they're making sure that they are not that soft. Okay, like this is good enough. So I'm going to add this green onion that I already fried to it. And then again, a little bit chicken, a little bit sauce. I put a little bit more sauce because so the green onion not slippery. So it's ready. So ready, it look like this. So it's ready. So these tomato sauce are ready, and it's cooled down, so I can ready to add with these. So I'm going to put all these and all the sauce. So it kind of actually mix together. So ready to taste. Very good. So when you're ready, then scoop out, put in a bowl. So this one you can eat with just rice or bread or sweet or meat. You can eat with fried chicken or fried pork or whatever. Go with that.